Designs you create on Dijibiz are saved in the library section. To access the library section, click on this menu on the left side. Here, the designs you've created will be listed. Here, the designs you've shared with your team are displayed. In this section, your favorited designs are displayed. For example, let's mark a template as a favorite from this section. You can see that template within your favorites and click on it to open it in the editor. From here, you can click on a previously created design to open it in the editor. After editing the design, you can see the updated version in the library section.